Kinds of stuff like Craig's talking about. We're going live. We're just recording it.
Ironically, we're wearing the same outfits as the last show.
From last week. Wink, wink.
This is not 1 second after we ended our last show. Last Friday.
And
which I assume was last Friday.
I did not write both of these shows all by myself without any of Craig's input.
Oh, congratulations. Out of almost 50 shows, you've finally written 2 all by herself.
That's not
I'm
true.
so proud. She's so grown up, ladies and gentlemen.
I wrote the
Thanks for
vacation
watching.
show all by myself too.
And welcome to the Nicole and Craig Show.
Welcome.
That was a good intro.
I know.
Welcome.
One of these days, we're really going to get technologically advanced, and we're going to do like a whole...
You have like a whole hair thing that's going way out of control.
I know. Shut
Very,
up.
No.
It's
It
crazy.
was just one. It was irritating me.
Yeah, anyway.
I was going to cut it off.
My hair is irritating me today. It won't do anything.
All right, thank you for watching today. We have a great show for you today. This one is all about the hottest topic in the world right now.
Yep.
You probably read about it on Fox News and CNN and all the other news outlets. Student loans.
Hot topic. They're talking about all over
Hot
CNN.
Getting hot.
Whatever. I did read about it in my Realtor magazine yesterday, though.
Realtor magazine. There is no I
Realtor.
between the L and
no,
the T.
it's an A. It's an A.
Oh, it is not an A. It is nothing.
Anywho, so student loans. I kicked the camera on
tripod.
accident. Sorry. I don't know if I wrote these in order. Yes, I am. I guess
I'll do this, folks. Number 5, remind buyers of down payment program.
So basically meaning remind buyers that there are down payment programs out there, especially when they have student loan debt and they may not necessarily have enough money for a down payment.
I don't know about this.
Why?
Down payment programs?
Really?
For buyers?
Yes.
Like I know Hammond does that
Yeah.
one, and then I know the county, Lake County, does a home down payment assistance program.
East Chicago has one. Also, the state of Indiana has one, IHCDA. So they'll do up to 4%, which is a 0.5% more than what their down payment is to help pay for closing costs.
Very cool.
So there are definitely all kinds of options out there.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I did not know all those options. I knew some of those options, but not all of those options.
I know, I'm cooler than you.
And I bet you there's more.
Yes, there probably are more that we didn't talk about too.
All right, number 4?
Yeah.
Number 4, can't read Nicole's handwriting.
You can't be late on student loans no matter what. Like, they are a debt just like anything else. I think people tend to think that, oh, it's just my student loans, it's fine. When it comes to buying a house, it's not fine. You have to pay your student loans on time every month.
You know, there's a bonus in here. What about medical collections? I know this isn't the thing about medical collections, but that's something buyers need to know too. That's one of the few things that sometimes can get swept under the carpet, and you can still buy a house with them.
Yeah.
That's a bonus fact. That's like, we promised 5. We're delivering 6.
You know, the last show was a bonus fact. This show is a bonus fact. I don't know where he's coming up with all this stuff. He's going off script.
It
It's
is
crazy.
Bonus Fact Friday. Welcome to the show.
It's off script Craig is what it is.
I don't know where's the camera on this thing?
Wherever you're not looking.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll look over in that direction.
Why don't you like pet your hair and stuff while you're at it? Because that's kind of what it looks
I
like.
never do that, do I?
Hold on, I need like a makeup proof
Hi,
ball.
everyone. Hi, everyone.
You're glistening.
That's a Snickers bar.
You're glistening.
Well,
You're glistening.
Maybe don't rub candy on my face.
I didn't actually touch your face. Duh.
I would have freaked out. What was that? There's something. Oh, why'd you do that?
Where's some hand sanitizer? Do you need hand sanitizer?
I do need hand sanitizer.
Anyway.
I'm gonna stop the show and re-record it.
Oh, you are not.
Oh,
I will post both on there. It will not even be funny.
Oh, it'll be funny, all right.
Uh-huh. What's number 3?
Number 3, ask Larry of beans, corn. I think this is your grocery list.
Ask lender if the buyer can do anything to increase their credit score.
That's how you spell that?
I.e. pay off a loan or consolidate. So a lot of times when you have student loans, you have multiple loans, not just one. So like when I got out of college, I consolidated. Sometimes that's not done so much anymore. I don't know why, but it's not. So maybe they have a smaller loan that they might potentially be able to pay off to boost their credit score or their debt to income.
Excellent. Excellent.
Nothing?
She nailed it. I got nothing. Number 2. Number 2. Let's see. I was actually just laughing. Like, you went to college? Like, no, not that. No, but like, you don't need to have a college degree to be a real estate agent.
I have a business management degree.
And that's
from
why you're one of
Purdue
the best
University.
business. That's why you're one of the best team leaders in the business.
Yeah, better. That's better.
Yeah, I wasn't saying it like that. I'm just saying you don't need to go to college to be a real estate agent.
Open
And
mouth,
if you can't
insert
tell,
foot. What?
Yeah, no. If you can't tell, I didn't go to college, so that's why I'm sensitive to the whole college thing.
Whatever.
These like student loans. What are those?
I'm still paying off my student loans, so I know what they are.
Well, I was in the military, so I don't have to go to college. I
Jumped out of planes, paratrooper, served our country.
I wasn't gonna say that.
Fine.
I said
You're better than me. It's
Defended.
fine.
I didn't say that either.
Just
I
teasing.
never went to war or anything like that.
Oh my God, go on to number 2.
Number 2. Can't read it again.
Are you serious?
What is this? This is not even cursive.
If your student loans aren't on your credit report, they will show up somewhere. We had somebody one time that did not disclose student loans to a lender. And when the lender did the deep dive, even though it wasn't on the credit report, the lender found 10 grand in student loans that the buyer just didn't pay and forgot about. And guess what? He didn't get to close on his house. They will show up. They will not go away.
They
You
won't
can
go
file
away,
bankruptcy. You can do whatever. They will not go away.
Breaking news. If you owe someone money, someone will find out about it.
Student loans follow you everywhere. It doesn't matter what you do. You can never get rid of them. Exactly. Right there. They're right there with you.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
That must be mine that you see following you around then.
Yeah.
Since you're sitting next to me.
Maybe. Maybe. All right. Student loans. I don't know. That's, you know what? It's, if you're buying a house or you're working with a buyer, you might just want to ask them, do you know if you have any student loans?
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. That's
Actually,
probably
I think the
lender's job.
lender's job is to do this.
That's really the lender's
This
job.
show is brought to you by us for the lenders.
Well, I think it's a good thing to have a general knowledge
Yeah.
of finance.
Yeah,
I'm
we
not
should know
saying-
these things.
Yeah,
You're right.
you should.
No, it's a good idea. It's a great idea. I'm out
It's
of
my
my
idea. So
element.
he's like, no, it's not.
No, I'm just out of my element. That's all. It's a great episode. I feel like I can't contribute because I don't know anything about student loans.
It's true, but
Yeah.
that you can't contribute. Oops, sorry. I'm just teasing. Can you read number 1? Because that you should be able to read.
Deferred means nothing. Lender still has to take into account. And she didn't put a U in the account thing. A 1% payment.
So basically what that means is just because you don't have a student loan amount that you pay doesn't mean that the lender still doesn't have to put that into your debt. So if you pay 0 on student loans and you have $100,000 in student loans, they're figuring that as 1%, $1,000 a month in your debt. So keep
Wait,
that
did
in
you
mind.
just say 1% of $10,000?
$100,000.
Oh, okay. Is that how much student loans are?
Yes.
Gosh, you should not get those guys.
No, I had like 28 when I graduated college in 2002, and I'm still
28
paying
student
off.
loans?
No, $28,000, and I'm still paying that off from
What's
2002.
1% of
1% of what? 28,000?
Yeah.
$280.
She's fast, folks. She's fast. Look how fast she does math.
I am. Look at that.
That's what that business
Moving
degree
some
does.
zeros. I don't know.
That's what that business degree does.
Thanks, Craig, for knocking a degree again.
She's sensitive. Someone's sensitive today.
What?
All right, folks. I feel like this show not our best.
I feel like Craig said, no, I think it's really funny and he just doesn't realize it. But, I'm just kind of mad at Craig because he made me go on air twice now with no makeup and terrible hair. So it's fine. It's fine.
Well, I leave the house like this every day.
Uh-huh. He was just talking before the video about how nice it was to be a guy because you don't have to worry about what you wear every day. You throw on, khakis and a Berkshire shirt. He's got 7 of the same ones hanging in his closet. That's not what we get to do as
Got
women.
way more than that.
Mm-hmm. I don't get to cut my hair, throw some gel, and be like, oh, I look good.
Oh, that's not
Nothing?
true.
You
What?
got nothing?
No, it is easier to be a guy, I think. I think that's true.
It is when it comes to dressing and stuff. That's true.
That's like everyone says, everyone's equal and all that. I think it's easier to be a guy. I really do. I think it's easier.
I don't know about that, but
We just wear a polo shirt. You think it's easier being a woman than a guy?
no, we do carry all the weight. We do the heavy lifting. Always.
Yeah, oh, for sure.
Always.
I would say that for sure. Yeah.
All right, guys.
You guys work harder than we do.
Stop talking now. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be live next time when Craig gets back.
Thanks all the
In 2
ladies
weeks.
out there for working harder than us.
Whatever. Like, share, and comment below about anything dumb Craig said on the video.
Wow, we sound like a YouTube show now. Like, comment, subscribe below. This is on Facebook.
I know it is.
Oh, okay.
That's all right.
We might put it on YouTube too.
We can be cool. We can be cool on Facebook and say YouTube things.
I'm glad that we are cool.
Well, if you have to say you're cool, that means you're not cool. But that's
movie,
the first rule of being
reference.
cool.
If you get that movie reference, let us know in the comments because it's one of my favorites. All right, guys, have a great week.
All right, bye guys. Thanks.